Okay, glad you guys could join us for the final exam review. I would ask that you pull out the review and follow with me, as there's some word problems there. You can kind of look at it. I'll probably read it no more than one time, and you can look along with me and follow as I go through the presentation in terms of how to solve that particular problem. The first one I have on the board already. It's one where you're asked to follow the order of operations to simplify this expression. Remember what the order of operations suggests. It is please, excuse, my dear, Aunt Sally. Recall we do parentheses first, followed by exponents, and then we do multiplication, division, left to right, and then finally addition and subtraction. So let us proceed with this problem. And looking at it, it says 9 plus 2 times 10 minus 25 divided by what? 5. According to the order of operations, we follow this procedure. There's no parentheses. Exponents we have none, but we do have multiplication and division here. As we look here, multiplication is viewed first before we see the division, so we do multiplication first. If division was here and multiplication was here, we would do the division first. So we proceed to do the multiplication, and we do one thing at a time, bringing down everything else. So we have 9 plus, this is what, 20, minus 25 divided by 5. Now we do the division. Remember, addition and subtraction's last, so we'll get here what, 5, bring down the rest as you see it, and then we add all this up left to right. We have 29 here minus 5, which gives us what? 24. So just remember the order of operations. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. We do parentheses first, followed by exponents, then multiplication and division are left to right, whichever one we see as we look left to right. Multiplication first, then do division. Division is first as you look left to right, then do division. Addition and subtraction always last. Okay, let's go to 1b now. 1b is where we have one with multi-enclosures. So look at this. If you look at the problem and read along with me as I set it up, it's 1b, and it reads 1 plus, open parentheses, 17 plus 1, close parentheses, then a minus 6, close the bracket. That's called a bracket there, times what? 8. So if we proceed according to the order of operations, which suggests when you have multi-enclosures, parentheses first, then look to combine like terms, then remove the enclosure, and then look to combine like terms. So we start the work in the parentheses right here. That sum gives us what? 18. Bring down everything else as it is. Be very careful with this. Take your time and write it down. Now, after you take down the parentheses, go ahead and do the adding and subtracting here. If we add all of this up left to right, we get 19 minus 6 times the what? 8. And what is 19 minus 6? 19 minus 6 is I wrote the problem down right. I said it's too big. It was supposed to be divided by 6. Go ahead. That thing is so small, I can't see that.